Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install OneSignal in your React Native app. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open your terminal and navigate to your React Native project directory. Make sure your project is set up and running correctly. First, you need to install the OneSignal SDK for React Native. Run the command npm install save React Native OneSignal. Once installed, you need to link the OneSignal library to your project. For React Native versions below 0.60, run React Native link React Native OneSignal. For versions 0.60 and above, the linking should be handled automatically. Next, you need to add the OneSignal configuration to your project. Go to the OneSignal website and create a free account if you don't have one. Create a new app in the OneSignal dashboard. After creating the app, you'll receive an app ID. Open your React Native project in your code editor. In your main app file, typically app.js, import OneSignal at the top. Import OneSignal from React Native OneSignal. Next, initialize OneSignal with your app ID in a useEffect hook or component did mount method. Use the following code: onesignal.setAppID, your _OneSignal_app_ID. Replace your _OneSignal_app_ID with the actual app ID you received. To handle notifications, you can set up event listeners for notification received and opened. Add the event listeners like this: onesignal.setNotificationOpenHandler, notification equals console.log, notification opened. Use this code: onesignal.setNotification will show in foreground handler, notification received event equals console.log, notification received event.complete, notification. Now, you can test your implementation. Build and run your app on an emulator or device. To send your first notification, go back to the OneSignal dashboard. Choose the Messages tab and create a new message. Follow the instructions to send a test notification to your device. Once sent, you should see the notification appear on your device. Congratulations! You have successfully integrated OneSignal into your React Native app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.